for any reason. The Cubans who came in here, their ancestors hold back for those number of years under slavery. You understand? What stopped us from making our own God in this, in where we are? If a slave can hold back for 200-300 years, and then he or she will trace the origin of Ugbe from there up to where we are today, and then you say Ugbe is nothing. I will meet God and talk to God with those people.
Brother, please tell us your name and title.
My name is Ekong Efiong Ekong Imona. I am Mgbe by myself. Finish. I am Mgbe by myself. Don't bother whether there's any title or nothing. I am Mgbe. Mgbe. Mgbe just stay. Ogbe. 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 Oh.